Hi, Lee Casano here from leoncasano.com. Here's 12 best tips for starting a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel can be a real cash cow for you, but it takes more than just uploading videos. To stand out and grow, consider these 12 tips. Number 1, define your niche and target audience. A specific theme is key. Don't just make vlogs. What specific topic or type of content will your channel focus on? Examples: budget travel for solo female adventures, do-it-yourself home repairs for beginners, deep dives into classic literature. Who are you talking to? Understanding your ideal viewer, their age, interests, pain points, what they watch will guide your content, tone, and promotion. Tip number 2, plan your content strategy. Brainstorm ideas. Keep a running list of video ideas relevant to your niche. Content pillars. Have a few recurring themes or series that your audience can expect. Storytelling. Even if it's educational, try to weave a narrative or make it engaging. Value proposition. What unique value or entertainment are you offering? Why should someone watch your video instead of someone else's? Tip number 3, optimize your channel for discoverability. YouTube SEO. Channel name and handle. Choose something memorable, relevant, and easy to find. Channel description about your page. Write a compelling description that clearly states what your channel is about, what viewers can expect, and include relevant keywords. Profile picture and banner. Design eye-catching branding that reflects your channel's personality. Video titles. Use strong, attention-grabbing titles that include keywords your target audience might search for. Thumbnails. This is crucial. Design custom, high-quality, click-worthy thumbnails that accurately represent your video's content and stand out in search results. Use bold text and engaging visuals. Descriptions. Write detailed video descriptions with keywords, timestamps, links to relevant resources, and a clear call to action. Tags. Use relevant tags to help YouTube understand your video's content and recommend it to the right audience. Prioritize quality over quantity, especially at first. While consistency is important, don't sacrifice quality for the sake of frequent uploads. A well-produced, engaging video will perform better in the long run than several rushed ones. Focus on the viewer experience. Tip number 5, invest in good audio. People will forgive less than perfect video quality more easily than poor audio. Invest in a decent microphone. Clear sound keeps viewers engaged. Tip number 6, learn basic video editing. You don't need to be a pro initially, but basic editing skills, cutting out dead air, adding text, simple transitions, music, can make a huge difference. There are many free or affordable editing software options. Tip number 7, hook viewers early. The first 10 to 30 seconds of your video are crucial. Grab attention immediately with a question, a surprising fact, a visual teaser, or a compelling statement that makes people want to keep watching. Tip number 8, include clear calls to action. They're called CTAs. Don't be afraid to ask viewers to like, comment, subscribe, or share your video. Tell them exactly what you want them to do. Place CTAs naturally within your video and in the description. Tip number 9, engage with your audience. Respond to comments. Build a community by interacting with your viewers. Answer questions, acknowledge feedback, and thank them for watching. Ask questions. Encourage engagement by asking questions in your videos or community posts. Community tab. Once you hit 500 subscribers, utilize the community tab for polls, updates, and behind-the-scenes content. Tip number 10, be consistent with your posting schedule. Set a realistic schedule, for example, once a week, twice a month, and stick to it. This helps build anticipation and trains the YouTube algorithm to recommend your content. Tip number 11, analyze your analytics. Once you start uploading, dive into YouTube Studio Analytics. Pay attention to watch time, audience retention. How long are people watching? Where do they drop off? This tells you what's working and what's not. Traffic sources. How are people finding your videos? Audience demographics. Who is watching your content? Use this data to refine your content strategy and improve future videos. Tip number 12, final tip. Promote your videos beyond YouTube. Social media. Share your videos or teasers on other platforms like Instagram, TikTok, X, which was Twitter, Facebook, and Reddit. Website blog. Embed your videos on your website or blog posts. Email list. If you have one, notify your subscribers when new videos are up. Starting a YouTube channel is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, persistent, and continually learn and adapt. Best wishes. Free report. Make $97 a day. Just visit leoncasano.com.